Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're actually looking at a brand which I absolutely love, and I actually worked with them when they first started, and they have very kindly sent me another gift. So I thought I would show you. If you already follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen this, but I thought I would do a little video on it because why not? And anyway, the brand is Empress, and they are a lingerie subscription box, or you can just buy a few of their pieces on their website. It depends what you want, but I think getting a subscription box is such an amazing idea, especially for lingerie. I've never seen any other brand do this, so it's quite unique as well. And anyway, they sent me a complete set, and that is the Honey Bunny set, and it came in this box here. As you can see, this box is actually just gorgeous as well. It has all the gold embossed text on the front, which says Honey Bunny, Empress London, with their crown, which is their logo, and also a bunny which matches what is inside. And I think that is really cute, and it's a really good box to keep it in as well. So inside it actually did come all wrapped up, but obviously, like I said, I've already shown this on my Instagram, and so that's why it's not wrapped up, but it did come in this paper, and it came in the box all folded up nicely like that. So the Honey Bunny set is one of their most iconic looks. Like, it's all over their Instagram. You see so many people being tagged in it and wearing it, and I can see why, because it's just amazing. Obviously the Honey Bunny set is, so this is the bralette from the set. As you can see, it's black, which is gorgeous. I am in love with black anyway. And it has these opaques on both the cups, as you can see there, and the rest is all this mesh material. Straps and the underband are all this silky material, which is very, very comfortable to wear, and it looks really flattering going on as well. Now, I am the first to admit I am only little. I'm tiny, so finding actual bralettes that fit is still not that easy. But this is in, I think it's extra small. Yeah, this is extra small, and I am normally a 32A. And this fits me perfectly. It is a little big in places, but not that much that it looks that bad, so I think that's quite fine. And these straps, normally when you get a bralette with like these straps going across that sort of like cut your boob a little bit, I don't really know how to explain it. Normally they don't look right, they just sort of sit there, but on this they actually sit right, and yeah, I'm just really, really happy with it. And of course the shoulder straps are completely adjustable, as is the back strap as well. And I think because this strap is so wide, it gives quite a lot of support as well, which is really good. And these are the matching knickers that go with it. They're sort of a bit more of a cheeky design, as you can see there, but without it showing too much, even though they are completely mesh, so obviously they're pretty much see-through. And they also have the same matching applique on the front here. And of course it has a little bit of lining just on this bit here. But these fit so well as well, and I love the shape of them. And I think it looks very flattering when on. I also got these in extra small, and I'm between a size 6 and 8 normally in knickers. And I would say these are quite true to size, and maybe a little on the big side, as extra small is normally a size 6. But either way, they fit really well, and even though they are elasticated like on the top and on the leg, it doesn't dig in at all. It's very comfortable, and yeah, they also look really flattering when on. And now onto the piece which gives this set its name, and I think this is so much fun, and one of my friends actually wants this because she does burlesque dancing and her act is Bad Bunny, so it sort of goes with it, so she loves this as well. And you get this little headband which has bunny ears, and also this sort of like mesh material with dots on, and this sits over your face. And I think this just looks so sexy when it's on, and it's also a bit fun as well. I mean, isn't every day you're going to be wearing bunny ears? It's so much fun, and I actually love this. I love how it looks on. I think it gives a bit more of a vintage type feel to the set. I don't know if that's just me or if that's what it's supposed to do, but I love it. I think it's so much fun. So I'll just show you that one on. Oh. See, as you can see, like this mesh just sits nicely just over your eyes, and it doesn't really sit on your eyelashes at all, so if you're wearing false lashes it would still be fine. And these are the ears. They're actually wired as well, so you can shape them how you want. It's really hard to show on the camera, but yeah, I think this is so much fun, and it even goes with this look, like without the rest of the lingerie on. I'm in love with it. I'm in love with this entire set. I just love how it all looks. All the quality is amazing. There's like no loose threads or anything. Everything feels very comfortable when it's on, and it looks very flattering. I don't really know what else I can say apart from I love it. so I thought I'd do a little try on for you so you can see what it looks like on. So that is how the set and the ears look when they're on. I hope I don't get in trouble with YouTube for that, but I've done it before, so it's fine. I've tried not to show too much, but who cares? Lingerie is all about having fun anyway. So I hope you liked this little video, and I'll also leave a link to Empress Mimi in the description bar below if you want to have a look at it yourself. They do also have a few other sets, and I love the blue set. I can't remember what it's called, but I really want that, so I think I might have to buy that next. But I hope you liked this little lingerie review and a fashion review. I know it's a bit different from my channel, but lingerie is something that I love anyway, so I thought I would share it. But I hope you liked this video. Please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I will see you soon with another. Bye!